Hello everyone, this is Ravinder Dundra and welcome to my channel. Today in this lecture we will continue the same topic, that is economics development. In this we will discuss about something known as this human development report. In the previous lecture when we have discussed about this comparing the countries based on this total income, then we have seen that it is not good to compare the countries based on total income. Then we started comparing based on this per capita income, where World Bank used to compare these countries based on this per capita income. But this per capita income method is also it is not an adequate method to compare these countries. Therefore, this Human Development Report HDR published by UNDP. UNDP means United Nations Development Program. It compares the countries based on their health status, education levels as well as per capita income. So the basic things such as health, education, and it also compares based on this per capita income, so that we can understand this so and so country is whether it is well developed or whether it is less developed. So income is not only the criteria to compare these countries. So apart from income, this HDR, it compares the countries based on health status and education levels. So under this health, what it compares is that it compares something known as this life expectancy rate. That means average expected length of life of a person at the time of birth. That means whenever any person is born, how many years at an average he can live on this earth in a particular country. For example, India's life expectancy rate, just take an example. Suppose if it is 67 years, that means at an average every person born in this country at the time of birth, he will be expected to live at least for 67 years. Then under this education, the other aspect by which we will get this human development report is that it is education. So under this education, we compare something known as this mean years of schooling. Mean years of schooling means average number of completed years of education of a country's population aged 25 years or above. That means in any country, suppose those people who are above the 25 years of age, and at an average how many years they have attended the school. For example, if this mean years of schooling is 10, we can say that in India or in any country, for example, if it is 10, mean years of schooling is 10, we can say that those people who are about 25 years of age in India, they have attended the school of 10 years. So that gives this mean years of schooling. Then apart from this, we will also calculate this per capita income. So in the previous lectures we have already seen how we can calculate this per capita income, total income of the country divided by total population. But sometimes this per capita income is equal to this something known as this dollars. Why? Because we always compare every country's income by using this dollars. As I told, if a country is having more than $12,056 as a per capita income, that country is considered as this developed country or rich country. So therefore this per capita income of every country is converted into this dollars. So there is a table given in the textbook. So if you can see in the textbook, by using all these things in the table, we have compared some of the countries which are neighboring to India, such as Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Pakistan, Nepal, etc., etc. So if you can see this table, in this we can see the Human Development Index rankings. In that, Sri Lanka is somewhat more top in the list compared to India. Not only in HDI rank, in all these aspects Sri Lanka is somewhat ahead of India. Though Sri Lanka is very small country compared to India, here it shows that it is performing better in all these aspects. So that is why if we can simply compare only per capita income, we may not be able to get proper data. Therefore we used to compare every country based on these three things: health status, education levels, as well as per capita income, so that this would be the better measurement to find out the development status of a country, whether it is well developed, less developed, or whether it is developing. Next we will see the last topic, about this sustainability of development.